stop, so let me tell
Wait.
you anything for you. It's always for you and never for me. And I needed to stop, so let me tell you.
Who the hell was that? What's going on? I can't stop yawning. It hurts. It hurts. My jaw's cramping. Ow! I'm only yawning because you keep yawning. I'm only yawning because you won't stop. Stop. No, how about you stop? I will turn around so I won't see you yawn. That loud ass yawn. Go somewhere where I can't hear you.